Friends, I just want to give a very important message to the viewers. Starting from this video, I'll be providing the information about internationally available job vacancies related to welding technology. This will definitely help welders, engineers, fabricators, etc. to find job opportunities all over the world. At the end of this video, you will find some very good Australian opportunities for welders. A very good opportunity. At the end of this video, you will find it. Welcome to Weld Tech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies, and my name is Vincent. Hello, friends. Today we are discussing about the type of qualification tests required for welder qualification and WPS qualification. We'll try to find out the differences between both the qualification. Okay, these tests are done after completion of the test weld by the welders. Type of the weld I am considering will be complete joint penetration groove welds on plate. Let us see the details and the differences. For both the cases, I am considering the unlimited thickness qualification, which means the truss plates are above 25 thicknesses for both the qualification tests. That is for WPS qualification as well as welder's performance qualification. So now let us start with the WPS qualification. For the WPS qualification, you have to go for various kinds of tests, destructive tests, non-destructive tests, and of course visual inspection initially. That means after completion of the test weld by the welder, the first thing to be done is to do the visual inspection. What's the visual inspection? According to the AWS D1.1, all the visual inspection parameters are considered and it is found to be okay, then you have to move into for the next NDT test, that is either a radiographic test or a ultrasonic test. After successfully completion of the both the tests, that is visual inspection as well as radiographic or ultrasonic test, only then you can go for the mechanical test. Now for the material thickness above 25 which will be qualifying you for unlimited thicknesses, you need to go for two reduced section tension test plates, that is tensile tests, and four side bend tests. This is for WPS qualification. Here you should note a very important point, that is when required by the contract documents, CVN tests shall be included. Okay, please take a note of it. Now, as far as the welder qualification tests are concerned, after completion of the test welding, for the unlimited thickness welder qualification, you have to do just two side bends. If you are going for mechanical test, of course, this also will be done only after the visual inspection. Okay, two side bends are the only mechanical tests required or destructive tests required by the code AWS D1.1. Here you have an option to substitute the side bends with radiographic test. Okay, so it is your choice. You can go either for the mechanical test, that is side bend test, or you can just do the arcing. Okay. Okay, friends. So as I stated in the beginning, we'll discuss some Australian jobs. Hello, friends. This is a disclaimer. We are not charging any fees for this service from anybody. You are requested to verify all the necessary factors before handing over any document or any payment to any of these agencies. Weld Tech QC will not be responsible for any kind of losses to the candidates. Thank you. Also, please note that the vacancies are only open until it gets filled up. So apply immediate. It's offered by Pedaman Global Services Australia. It's an MNC. Okay, they require first core arc welders, 40 numbers, and they are offering an excellent salary of around 6 lakhs Indian rupees. Okay, that is 44 Australian dollars per hour. Okay, let us see the eligibility and other things. They are asking for minimum 5 years experience in boiler welding, shipbuilding, mines, heavy fabrication industry, etc. And good communication skills in English, especially in English, spoken and written. And minimum qualification, a 12th with diploma or ITI, that is plus 2 with diploma or ITI. And important thing to be noted is age should be below 40 years. Okay. The contact number in India, the Indian contact person is the HR manager of this company based in India, Delhi, uh, Mr. Amit Gupta. You can note down the number. The WhatsApp number is also given. You can send the CVs or any other messages. Okay, and there is a specific format to be prepared by you, a video, a self-introductory video. All candidates are requested to submit a professionally prepared self-introductory video of maximum 3 minutes. A guideline is also given by them, is this. Okay, so the requirements also there. And okay, there are some licenses they ask, but that is not a must. They will provide it after reaching there in Australia, like the forklift operation operator's license or EOT crane operator's license, etc. They will train and they will provide the license. Those who are not having it, and these are the other details when you prepare a video or when you prepare a CV, you should follow these guidelines. So you have to read it properly, understand it, prepare accordingly. So that's all for today. I'll be back with another video, another opportunities, international opportunities for all welders, fabricators, engineers, inspectors, and so on, along with the major content like visual inspection and cost control in welding. Okay, until then, that's all for the time being. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.